Welcome. In front of me is a Niteo Tools Titan, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. And to get started, obviously let's open up settings. From here, scroll down to backup and reset. You can scroll down and you should see factory data reset. Tap on it. It will give you a message that performing this will remove your Google account, system app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos and other user data. So in other words, it removes everything that you have uploaded to the device after the setup. And if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you already have done it or you don't want to, tap on reset phone, then erase everything and that was loud. Then, well, now the process will begin. Now hopefully we don't have to hear that god-awfully loud sound again. But yeah, now this will take probably several minutes, and once it's finished we should be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set it up as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.